this episode of my new adventures, I'm going to LA! It's the beginning of summer again, and this is usually when my whole body starts shaking with excitement. Like I have to escape the cubicles and just go out and play. So LA, here I come! First stop, I arrived to my friend Tina's beautiful house.
Oh my god, this is so cute! Peanuts! Pink peanuts! Tina got me a little care package.
Shout out to Tina and Jean for adopting me for this week.
Wow! What a nice house.
And by the way, Jean is a super talented film director, so
Go watch this movie!
seriously, they live in the coolest house ever.
What the hell? It's so big! Studio. Wow. Peace. Wow. Are we in heaven? Oh my god. We're going to San Diego with Tina. Yeah! We're going to see Morgan, and then we're gonna drive to the
So for the weekend, we've decided to gather everybody for a little getaway to San Diego. We all haven't seen each other in a while, so this felt like a perfect excuse to reconnect. After we pick up the whole squad, we're on our way. It's about a 2.5 hour drive down. And first stop, we arrived to Jolla Cove to see the sea lions.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah, San Diego, born and raised.
Yeah.
This is my hood.
Yeah. This is my backyard.
My backyard. Look at this.
Yo, what's up? It's your girl Venus.
Yeah. For our video, for our vlog.
Oh my gosh, so pretty. Whoa. Wow.
You can't smell it, guys, but it smells like really bad in here.
Yeah, I smell like crap.
I was trying to blame the ocean, but I've been perpetually farting.
Yeah. It's so stupid.
There it is.
The weather was so gloomy and we were freezing. So we found this seafood spot to warm up with some hot, cozy clam chowder. Gotta fuel up because we got a music festival tonight. Our San Diego trip turned out pretty gloomy. I didn't really get to surf or hike like I planned. So back in LA, we decided to check out this secret little waterfall spot a little bit outside of the city.
Going to a waterfall. Yay. She can't speak because she lost her voice. Let's go.
what's up with the waters in LA waterfalls. It looks so harmless, especially with this hot weather. But the second I step in, it's freezing.
Oh my god.
Like, why is it so cold? My feet went numb in literally 2 seconds.
Holy shit.
Okay, I know I complain about the freezing water, but honestly, there's no way I'm skipping a dip at the waterfall. Guys, it was so painful. My brain fully blanked out for a second, but it was actually a pretty good one. I felt refreshed after. Today, me and Tina finally have time to chill and walk around in LA. We stumble across these beautiful little shops with the coolest flowers ever.
So cool. Oh, look at this.
And tell me why it's Tuesday afternoon and every cafe is packed? Like, is everybody just out here living their best life, just like me? At first I'm like, wait, does no one work in LA? But then I realized not all jobs look the same. Most people here work in creative fields, and sometimes the best idea don't come when you're just grinding nonstop. You kinda gotta just live a little. Looking back, I think what surprised me the most about LA wasn't the places, but the pace. Everyone seems chill, but under that chill, there's so much creativity, ambition, and drive. Sometimes taking a break and making space is exactly how you move forward. And that's what this trip was for me. A little breather, a soft reset, and maybe a gentle reminder to live a little more.